Hi guys, we're in La Union. I will show to you how the
Philippine
life
people,
in the,
yes, live.
life in the provision. This is my brother-in-law.
Hello guys, good afternoon. We're here in La Union, San Fernando. Here's my wife. Come look.
This is
our
your
backyard.
house,
Yeah,
yes?
this,
Your family house.
Family house. Yeah, that's it. Come.
Very big house.
Yeah. Come inside.
Kamu dyan, tingnan tininul ko.
Here. Yeah, here. Here we have chicken. Lot of chicken.
Dog, it's okay, no problem.
Yeah.
You go inside.
Come, go inside. Come, take a look. Here. And we have all this one, Pugo. We have all this here.
Ah, I know.
Well, yun yung pearl egg. Yeah, that's it here.
Sige daw. Marunong.
And also at the back, we have rabbit, turkey, goat. Yeah, that's that. If we are hungry, there's no...
I think you're never hungry.
No, yes. Right now,
Because
I
so
don't
many
have-
animals here.
Yeah, I don't have work. Let's go take a chicken. And...
There's a lot of goat here. I will show to you how they feed the goat.
Yan.
They eat what is this?
Feed.
Feeds.
And how many times a day you give food? Two times a day.
Only morning and the afternoon.
Ah.
Also here we have turkey. Turkey is here. Oh, here.
And rabbit also. He won't play.
Ah, yeah. He want my sister. He want to marry my sister.
Ah, you take water here,
Ah,
yes?
yes. Or,
Ah.
what is this? Take shower here. You can
Ah,
some-
take shower also.
Oh yes, you can take some water here and then take shower here manually.
Mm.
Like before, if you don't have what is this? If you don't have shower, you go there, take some water and you go like this manually.
Good exercise
Ah, yes.
every
Always
morning, yes.
And then they always take some water there for wash clothes. See. It's big chicken. It's more expensive turkey.
Wala, namatay.
Steak.
Big chicken. Yeah. I always go with you.
Ah, he wanted also double.
You go with my sister.